Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a perfect spicy margarita cocktail like a pro. The spicy margarita is beautifully concocted with tequila, orange liqueur, fresh lemon juice, and jalapeno. I hope that you will like this recipe. So let's go and jump in. Today we will start by rimming the glass with salt. Now take a glass of about 10 ounces or 300 milliliters, and softly press it on the sponge, so that lemon juice can stick around the edge of the glass. Now carefully move it on the salt. Give a few little jerks to remove loose salts. Awesome! The glass is now perfectly rimmed. So let's start the mixology. Now carefully add 8 to 10 ice cubes. And keep the glass aside till we mix all the ingredients. Pour 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters of tequila. Today I am using a reposado tequila, though you can use any tequila of your choice. After the tequila, pour half an ounce or 15 milliliters of Cointreau. Next pour 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of simple syrup. Now squeeze 2 whole lemons, or pour 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of fresh lemon juice. I think you are enjoying this recipe. You can check the description box for the detailed recipe, and if you have any queries or suggestions, please mention it in the comment section. I will be happy to hear from you. After lemon juice, add 3 to 4 jalapeno coins. And if you don't have a jalapeno, simply use any hot green chili that you have. Now add 6 to 8 ice cubes and shake vigorously, as this will help to release flavor and heat from the jalapenos. I am sure that you will like this spicy margarita recipe. So make it at your next party, and enjoy with your family and friends. Now double strain to remove jalapeno seeds from the mixture. Actually, jalapeno gives that unique flavor to this cocktail, and if you don't have this Mexican chili, use a similar kind of green chili that you have, and definitely you will get the same results. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. Now decorate this margarita with 3 jalapeno coins, so that one can identify the content of this cocktail. Perfect. Let's garnish this exciting cocktail with a fresh lemon slice. And the spicy margarita cocktail is now ready for you. Cheers. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching, and drink responsibly.